Good. I just want to show us on how to do more tasks on cards. So, first thing you're going to do, in order to do more tasks, is to come to this side here, click on it. So you come to this cards, this upgrade card, click on it. Then you come to this tab to upload cards. So you must have gotten a must have downloaded the cards from your Google. So downloaded the card there. So you now add it here. So let's go. So as you can see, that is the cards there. That is the cards here. So I'll just click on it in order to upload it. So always clicking. So as you can see, the card has already been uploaded, and that is why it's asking us to wait for 24 hours. So once you check and confirm the cards that you uploaded on there, it will now use to give you more coins there. So thank you.